Hi, Alison Marsden here from Gardening by Design with a quick video tip on what makes a front garden successful. Many people who are quite happy deciding what they want in their back garden find the front garden a little more difficult. The key to success in a front garden is understanding that they are different, and the crucial question is, what exactly is your front garden for? And the answer, of course, is that the aim of your front garden, whatever functional needs it has, is to make your house look fabulous. There are three important elements to remember when planning a front garden. The first is that we very frequently view the garden from the outside looking in as we arrive home, as visitors walk up the front to the front door. The house is ever present and the garden has to reflect that. Secondly is that we use that front garden, we come and go all year round. The garden has to be successful, it has to be attractive 365 days a year. And finally, yes, there are functional needs that are not quite so beautiful. We may need space to park, we may need access to a front door or a garage, and there's almost certainly somewhere to put the bins. Whatever the size or style of house we have, there are two basic layouts. One is where the garden sits in front of the house, like a stage in front of a backdrop. The other is where, as well as taking up the foreground, the garden surrounds and frames the house like a picture. When it comes to choosing plants, if we want colour and texture and something to look at all year round, then the front garden needs to be filled with plants, not just flowers, but with leaves and berries and stems that provide interest at other times of the year. And with so many needs that require hard landscaping, it may be that you have to find the corners and the spaces and the odd areas for planting where you can't actually get the car or where you don't interrupt the flow to the front door. But it is really important to remember that your front garden also needs to make your house welcoming. So part of the challenge is that front gardens are different. And my key tip to you today is to stand on the outside looking in, but please don't get run over. There's more information on my Gardening by Design website about how gardening supports well-being and how I can help you.